In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop notification on Google Chrome browser. If you're tired of constant pop-ups asking for permission or distracting alerts from sites you barely remember visiting, this quick walkthrough will help you turn them off at the source. We'll keep it simple and make sure you understand what each setting does so you can browse without interruptions. Start in Google Chrome on your computer. Look to the top right corner of the window for the three-dot menu. This is Chrome's main menu where most controls and settings live. Click it to open the drop-down. From the menu, choose Settings. This opens a new tab with all of Chrome's preferences organized in sections. If you ever get lost, remember you can always search within Settings using the search bar at the top. On the left side of the Settings page, click Privacy and Security. This area controls how websites interact with your browser, including permissions like location, camera, and of course, notifications. Next, select Site Settings. Think of this as the hub for everything websites can ask your browser to do. It's where you manage what sites are allowed to access or prompt for. Now click Notifications. This page focuses specifically on the requests sites make to send you alerts. If you've been seeing prompts like, "This site wants to show notifications," they're controlled here. You'll also see any sites that you've previously allowed or blocked. Under Default Behavior, choose Don't Allow Sites to Send Notifications. This setting stops sites from asking for permission in the first place and prevents new notifications from being delivered. It's the most effective way to keep your browsing quiet and distraction-free. Existing permissions you granted in the past may appear in lists below. You can review those anytime from this same page if you want stricter control over specific sites. A couple of tips as you finish up. If you rely on notifications from a trusted site, you can always return to this notifications page later and adjust your preferences. Also, changes apply right away. You don't need to restart the browser. If you still see prompts on a particular site after changing this setting, double-check that site's entry in the list to make sure it isn't explicitly allowed. That's it. With this default turned off, Chrome will stop sites from sending notifications and from asking for permission to do so, making your browsing calmer and more focused. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to apply the same approach on any device where you use Chrome so your experience stays consistent.